Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about what is cryptography and what are its components, right? So the answer to the question what is cryptography? So if we divide that word in two parts, that is crypto and graphy. So according to Greek, crypto means hidden or secret and graphy means writing. So it makes a sense that hidden writing or secret writing. All right. Another definition of cryptography is that it is also a technique to communicate between it is a technique for communication between sender and receiver in such a way that no third party could recognize what the communication is. All right. So in cryptography, what is essential is plain text, encryption key, encryption algorithm, decryption key, decryption algorithm, and ciphertext. Whenever we are going to perform cryptography, these six terms will always rotate around the solving of any of the term using cryptography, right? So if I give you a shorter example of cryptography, it goes like that. You have a plain text, all right, and you have an encryption algorithm and encryption key. Now if you apply encryption algorithm and encryption key on plain text, you would be getting a ciphertext. All right. Now if you perform decryption algorithm and decryption key on this ciphertext, you would again be getting your plain text back. So in cryptography, basically two things happens always: encryption and decryption. Encryption gives you ciphertext, decryption of the ciphertext again gives you the plain text. All right. So in this cryptography, what we are going, first of all, in cryptography we have three kind of cryptography: symmetric cryptography, asymmetric cryptography, and hashing. All right. So in this we are going to learn about each and every method, what is included in symmetric, what is included in asymmetric, what is included in hashing. But first we are just going to focus for symmetric cryptography. So in symmetric we have two parts, that is substitution and transposition. Substitution is also further categorized in two parts, that is monoalphabetic and polyalphabetic. In monoalphabetic we have methods like additive cipher, multiplicative cipher, affine cipher, and monoalphabetic substitution cipher. In polyalphabetic we have auto key cipher, playfair cipher, Vigenère cipher, Hill cipher, and one-time patch cipher. And if we talk about transposition, then we have keyless cipher, keyed cipher, combined approach, and double transposition cipher. So from the next lectures we are going to learn about one by one of all of these monoalphabetic methods, all of these polyalphabetic methods, and all of the transposition method, and we'll learn about how to solve and how encryption and decryption are done using all of these cipher methods. All right. So first of all, let me give you basic idea about symmetric and asymmetric. So in symmetric cryptography, we would be using only one key throughout our ciphering. All right. And in asymmetric, we would be using two keys throughout our ciphering. And if we talk about monoalphabetic and polyalphabetic, that what is difference in monoalphabetic and polyalphabetic? So if we take an example that we have a plain text which is equal to cool. All right. So if we are using monoalphabetic cipher method, then the ciphertext for both of these letter O will be same. But if we are using polyalphabetic cipher method, then the ciphertext value of both these O's will be different. So this was a basic general idea about what is symmetric, asymmetric, and what we would be dealing with monoalphabetic and polyalphabetic. Okay, thank you.